Alright boys and girls, and welcome to Go on Guitar. This one will be a quick one from CONOR MAYNARD, Maybe I. Alright, so we have only 2 chords, 1 string pattern, and that's it for the song. Perhaps not your typical guitar song, but anyway, let's do it because it's nice to play guitar. Simply that. So let's take a look at these 2 chords, and we don't need any capo for this one. Alright, so it's C and the E minor. So C will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And finally, second and finally, we have the E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so C and E minor, you can go back and forth. That's what you're gonna do with the song. And we need to learn the string pattern. So let's go for the first C. And if you hold that and you're ready, we're gonna play down, clap, down, down, clap. Right? So like this. That's 1 round. You're gonna play 2 rounds of these string patterns here per chord. So again, down, clap, down, down, clap. Like that. A bit faster, 2 string rounds per chord, it will be. And E minor. Back. Play around a little bit with it. That is pretty much when it comes to CONOR MAYNARD's Maybe I. Very easy to play this, so give it a try. And if you enjoyed the tutorial, please give me a fast thumb up here, as fast as this tutorial was, and see you next time. Till then, play tuned.